Look who just climbed up out of his box. Little Skittles. Somewhat awkward. Oops. It takes them a while to figure out how to walk on the carpet without getting their claws stuck. Guess who's out of their box? I'm not sure why, but they seem to really like corners. I've just arrived home. Let me see. Where are all our chickies? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, babes. Okay, 2 missing. Let's have a look. No, not in this corner. Not in that corner. Let's try out in the balcony. Ooh, look what we've got here. Skittles has more or less figured out how to walk on the carpet now without getting his claws caught. Oh, they're patchouli. Dizzy. Hello, my little Skittles. My tiny, tiny little boy. They start chewing on everything around them about now. Skittles is just over 4 weeks old. You know, I'm thinking Skittles is a bit like Menace from the last clutch, that my little dwarf chick. Skittles has got a short crest as well. Menace had a short crest. If you have a look, the other chicks have got quite a long crest already. And look at Dizzy's crest. Now that's beautiful. So, whatever mutation I've got comes from Babylon. Archie had perfectly normal chicks with the last boy. Queen of Random. Queen of Random has got the least amount of yellow on her. She's just got a tiny little bit there. On the other hand, Skeeter has got yellow whiskers and tiny little yellow spot in the middle of his forehead. And of course, Skittles with the yellow eyebrows. Skittles is half the size of the others, twice as adventurous, and 5 times as snuggly. Come on, little Random. Good girl. Look who's out of their box. Look who's got up there. Look where Dizzy is. Dizzy can fly. Dizzy is 4 weeks and 2 days old today. Dizzy can fly. How'd you get up there? Dizzy can also perch. Wow! Sorry. Wow!